Hello, it's Inspired Reflections by Shawnee. Thank you so much for joining me if you are new or have been here before. Today's video is my Bath & Body Works September empties. First up, I have You're the One in the shower gel. This has notes of white birch, velvety rose, and a drop of strawberry nectar. This is a very strong scent. I use this as a bubble bath and it took 5 baths to finish it up. My bathroom smelled like this for a really long time afterwards. Next, I have Into the Night in the shower gel. It has notes of raspberry noir, amber crystals, velvety rose petals, creamy patchouli, and mocha musk. I used this for baths also, and it took 5 baths to finish it. This one was also very strong, and the smell lasted for a really long time afterwards. Then it's Mojave Plum in the gel hand soap. It has notes of blueberries, peach nectar, and a touch of cinnamon sugar. I used this one as a shower gel. I really enjoy this scent. It took 3 weeks to finish it up. I love having a pump in the shower. It's just so much easier to use, so I really enjoyed this one. Now I have Blueberry Bundt Cake in the body cream. It has notes of harvest blueberries, honey drizzle, and fluffy cake. I use this one at night on my arms and legs, and it took me a month to finish it. I really enjoy gourmands at night, and this also has a really strong scent that lasts. I can still smell it on my sheets. Next up, I have Perfect in Pink in the foaming body scrub. This has notes of vibrant cherries, pink camilla, and whipped almond creme. This scent is very strong, so it lasts on your skin and in the shower long after. This one took me 2 months to finish. I would repurchase this one again. I really enjoyed it. Then I have Into the Night body cream in the travel size. It has the same notes as the shower gel. I use this one as an in-shower moisturizer. It's so strong and it's not really a scent profile that I would use every day, so I wouldn't have used it as a regular lotion. This took me 2 weeks to finish it. Now I have Berry Waffle Cone in the Wallflower. It has notes of summer berries, waffle cone, and creamy vanilla. This took 3 weeks to finish it on the medium setting. This one was so yummy and it really smelled really good the whole time. Next, I have Ice Lemon Pound Cake in the Wallflower. The notes are sugary glazed icing, pure lemon zest, fluffy pound cake, and whipped cream. This took 2 weeks to finish. It smelled so good at first, but then it turned into this weird burnt popcorn scent, and I just had to take it out because it was just smelling too burnt. Then I also have it in the pocket back. It smells really good in the pocket back. It took me 2 months to use this one up, but it smelled so good the whole time. I really enjoyed it. Then lastly, I have another pocket back in Wild Berry French Toast. This one took me a month to finish it up, and it was also really good in gourmand. I really enjoyed it. So those are my empties for September. I only got 10 used up this month. I had a really hard time this month for some reason, so hopefully next month it'll be a lot better, but I'm still very happy with it, and I'm still adding to my box of yearly empties. I now have 119 in my box of yearly empties for 2025, so I'm really happy about that. I also have another small declutter, so that helps lower my stock also. I have a foaming hand soap in eucalyptus mint. It has notes of fresh mint, crisp eucalyptus, and sweet clary sage. Then I have Pumpkin Cupcake in the lotion. It has notes of whipped buttercream, pumpkin spice, and vanilla cake batter. Lastly, I have Blueberry Sugar Pancakes in the lotion. It has notes of sugared blueberries, fresh pancakes, and caramel cream drizzle. Then I also have a couple DIYs to share. I'm just going to add it to the empties video since it was so small. So if you have a gel hand soap that you have emptied, you can use the pump off of it to put it on a lotion bottle. You just have to clean out as much of the soap as you can so that it doesn't make the lotion soapy. Now we're just going to cut the straw so that it fits the shorter lotion bottle. It won't screw onto the top of the lotion bottle, but as long as you're not picking it up, it'll work just fine. It's a really good way to reuse the pumps that you already have so you don't have to buy more. And then these also get used instead of just getting thrown away. The next one I have is reusing the single wick mason jar candles with the screw-on tops. First, take any extra wax out, either using a knife or by heating it up and pouring it out. Then we will need to take off all of the stickers unless you really like the ones that are on there and you want to keep them the way that they are. I used alcohol and some WD-40 to get the sticky substance off the glass. Next, fill the jar with sugar. You can use any type of sugar you want. I just have fine white sugar, so I'm just going to use that. Then make sure all the lumps are out of it. Now we will add some shower gel or hand soap. This is a great way to get a sugar scrub in the scent that you want, even if they aren't making that scent. They are very limited in the scrubs that they have, so you could make gingerbread scrub, pumpkin scrub, anything cool or different for the holidays that they don't sell. It also will help you use up your shower gels and hand soaps too. So just mix it all up until it's a consistency that you like, and then I also am going to add some oil to it so it's more moisturizing. And since it already has the screw-on lid, it can live in your shower without getting watery. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave me a like or a comment to show me you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you will join me for my next video. Have a great day and stay inspired. Bye!